This is from your textbook, exercise 4.5. Last exercise, solving linear equations by using matrix. You see, this question is a little bit twisted. The exercise you have already solved in the last class. The question is a little bit twisted. This is the system of equations. Okay, so I have written here again the given system of equations, and we have learned in the last class this system of equations can be written as ax is equal to b. We mark it equation 1, where a is the coefficient matrix we have discussed in the previous class, x is always xyz, and b is numbers in the right side. Numbers in the right side 1 1 2, row vertical column matrix 1 1 2. X is xyz. A is the coefficient matrix. First equation coefficient 1 minus 1 2. Second equation, you see x is not there, so you can write 0x. Coefficient of x is 0. So 0 2 and minus 3, and 3 minus 2 4. So the system of equations we have written in ax equal to b, and this much you have done in the last class. Okay, now you know how to find a inverse. We have to find a inverse, which you did in the previous class, by finding determinant of a, cofactors of a, adjoint of a, then a inverse. But in this question, you see it is a little bit twisted. Use the product. You are asked to use this product, not finding a inverse by previous cofactors method. Okay, we have to use this product. So I am using the product. You see, using the product. Which product we have to use? You see, it is given here in the question. Hey, in the question it is given. I am writing here 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4, into what it is second, minus 2 0 1, 9 2 minus 3, 6 1 minus 2. You see, I am telling you once again, the given system of equations we have written ax equal to b, and we got a, x and b, and before we were finding a inverse by using cofactors method, but present question it is asking use the product to solve. So we cannot find a inverse by previous method, so we are using this product. You see, now if product we know how to find using row column method. First row first column, first into first, plus minus 1 into 9 second, minus 1 into 9, plus third 2 into 6. Then we know how to find, you can find the product. And if we simplify, what we will get, you see, minus 2 minus 9 plus 12, and you can find the other elements. So you will get like this: 12 minus 9, 12 minus 3, how much it is? 12 minus, you will get it 1. You see, you simplify, you will get it 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. If you simplify right side, you will get like this. And then you say, what is right hand side is identity. Now look at the left hand side. This matrix is what it is? A. This matrix, you see, what we have written is exactly same, it is A. Okay, visible? Yes. This is A. So what should be this one then? You see, we have written, we have learned before, A into A inverse is equal to identity. This equation, you compare with this equation here. If this is A, right hand side is identity, this is A, so this must be A inverse. You see, because our formula theorem is A inverse is identity, so this is A, so this must be A inverse. So therefore, what is A inverse here? A inverse is this second matrix, you see, minus 2 0 1, 9 2 minus 3, 6 1 minus 2. We got A inverse. Okay, this is A, this must be A inverse, because this is the formula, you see. This is the theorem. A inverse is identity. Right side is identity, you understand? So left hand side must be A inverse. This is A matching, so the second one must be A inverse. So you see, you got A inverse by using this product. You got A inverse using this product. Before you were finding A inverse by cofactors method, it was a long process, but now in this question it is twisted, given the product and asked find use this product to solve. and actually using the product to get A inverse. So after getting A inverse, you see from equation 1, what is equation 1? Equation 1 is Ax is equal to B. This implies X will be A inverse B, and then we got A inverse. You see, A inverse we got X is XYZ, and A inverse we got here minus 2 0 1 2 9 minus 3 6 1 minus 2, and B is the numbers on the right side. It was 1 1 2, and like before in the previous class how you did, you can solve and get the values of X Y Z. So this is a question in which it is twisted, little bit twisted from textbook. Textbook was those questions you have solved, it was only given the equations, we solved by using the same matrix method, finding A inverse by cofactors. And now present question, we are using the product. You see here, by using the product we got A inverse, and then we are solving like before. The remaining the remaining part, it will be exactly same as before what we did in the last class. Okay.